Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with maybe the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this option. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the display. Now let's localize the night light, and we can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. As you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and the colors are a little bit dull. It is because that your device tries to filter the blue light, which may cause your the eye pain. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode because it will make it easier to look at the screen at the dim light. We can customize it. Just tap on this this option itself, and here by going to the left with the switcher, we can make this whole feature cooler, and by going to the right, much warmer. You can set the timing switch because this on option is manual, so you have to manually turn it on and off, and you can set the time switching. You can schedule it manually, so pick the start and the end time, or set it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, so it's of course up to you. I prefer a manual option. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and now let me show you much faster access to it, so you don't have to go through the settings every time you want to turn on this option. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open those icons, and here we have to go to the right to find the night light. And that is also why I highly recommend to actually start with customization of the night light, not really trying to turn it on fastly, because if you'd like to start with this option, probably the night light will not be visible right here. Of course, you can set it manually just by tapping on this edit icon. However, if you will start with customization, it should at least appear here automatically. So right now we can tap on it in order to apply the night light, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.